Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special Amazon to show you guys tonight. This is coming from TickleMe Plant Box Set. Grow the Christmas House Plant. Really cool. I'll show you guys the video how it looks. Definitely, I think you still got time to get it for Christmas. If you order it tonight and tomorrow, you should be good. So this is really cool. It's definitely under 20 bucks. Give to your kid, niece, nephew, cousins, somebody. Here we go. This is what it does.
Check out why.
Look at that. That's cool. So you tickle it, and bam.
Pretty crazy, right?
See? Really cool. Kind of like a Venus flytrap, but just really cool. Even flowers. Whoa.
Now the TickleMe plant is an amazing plant. You tickle it and the leaf.
Really cool. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Get it now, it's on sale. Get it fast and free shipping. And definitely you should get it before Christmas. So another quick gift idea for the last minute shoppers. So act fast before they sell out. We got little pictures we can show. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. In case I don't see you guys, definitely hopefully see you guys in the new year. A lot of cool things coming up. So that's what you get in the little box. Really cool. Might want to grab a couple, especially at that price right now. $12.95 prime shipping. Save dollars, you guys save. TickleMe Plant Box Set. Click the link down below. You guys have a good night. Be safe. See you tomorrow.